Heading to the springs after like a 2-hour drive.
Yeah, take your time. Sit down, relax, man.
Oh, this is good, man.
Yeah.
I love it.
Som Geburtstag, Signet.
Oh,
Master of disaster.
Master of disaster.
Welcome to Sailing Lady Africa. I'm Ricky, and this is my wife Simone.
After 2 years of hard work on our boat, she's finally ready to take us from South Africa across the Atlantic to the Bahamas. Be sure to join in our adventures by subscribing down below.
I know you don't want to face it. You think it's too late, but I can see.
After our trip at the waterfall, which was on our previous episode, we headed off to Club in Sulphur Springs. It took us a while to find it, and we got really lost at some stage.
Heading to the springs after like a 2-hour drive. How's it going? Good. So now I'll show you what this kind of dodgy little trail after driving that whole kind of road. This is exactly where we are. Check at this. Hey? It's like there's no real sign of where to go.
my friend. How are ya?
Yeah. What a freaking adventure to get ya. Google Maps stopped working about half an hour ago, and the board says 3 kilometers, but we drove for like 45 minutes. And I swear it was way more than 3 kilometers. We just kept on driving. The guys say we passed 2 guys that said the springs were warm. Maybe this river comes from it. Let me test.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's warm.
Oh no, go!
Yeah, it's warm. Big bananas everywhere on the trees. We need to find a local so we can buy the bananas from him. We obviously don't want to chop down these bananas and get into trouble for that. A big banana load.
Oh!
And throw our problems in the
Sit them over there. Sit in the middle. Sit anywhere.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Take your time. Be careful of rock, huh?
Yeah.
Might hurt your leg. Take your time.
Whoa, it's deep.
Yeah. Yeah, take your time. Sit down, relax, man.
Oh, this is good, man.
Yeah.
I love it. This is
Cold,
epic.
it's warm.
Yeah, it's nice. Very nice.
This is good for everything, man. Everything.
Yeah?
Bad spirit.
Oh, when you get out? Yeah, it's gonna get really cold. The guys down there were saying it's cold when you get out.
Sulphur Springs have many healing properties, such as treating skin irritations such as rashes and eczema, also known to treat dry scalp, arthritic pain, and internal problems such as digestive disorders. But make sure you're not allergic to any sulfites.
Oh, I like this one, eh?
Literally.
Look at this.
I feel like a soda stream.
I feel like sulfur is supposed to smell like...
What is this? Sulfur.
Yeah?
What is sulfur in?
I don't know, I thought it's supposed to smell like rotten eggs, but it doesn't.
You didn't put it on your face.
No, I don't need it on my face. My face is already beautiful. Maybe I found a black diamond.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Come on.
It's good, yeah?
Yeah.
no pathos penetrate.
We got told on a full moon we have better chance of finding diamonds in the spring.
Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete.
Kakmoeder.
I heard you didn't find any.
Oh, we didn't find any, but I looked. I looked long and hard, I couldn't find anything. What? Where did you get food now?
Yeah, it's good. You guys can eat.
Yeah, we
What?
have food.
You
We have
serious?
food around.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, it's called Aito.
Aito.
Yeah. Pure
Wow.
organic, no meat whatsoever.
Nice.
But it's kind of hard to find. There's ones about like, let's say from here to here, that's yours. but it comes from an entire fruit,
Yeah.
and it sometimes comes as this big.
That was pretty epic. We just freaking had lunch with local people here in a hot spring. Grenada, you're beautiful, man. And the people of this country, seriously, very, very nice. So that's been an amazing experience for sure. Probably remember that one for a long time. It's Sunday morning, and I hope everyone feels like working this morning, because we've been 2 days without our dinghy. We're borrowing Motor Vessel Yes's dinghy, which is a really nice dinghy, but we need to get our dinghy up and going. So that's our prop, and we've spun the center hub, so the little brass piece in the middle there, that's not working anymore. So it's got a rubber in there. So we've looked at all the chandleries, and there's no chance of getting one. 6 to 8 weeks, they say. So we're going to try this place called Treasure Trove. The other cruises have recommended to us, and hopefully we can get one there. So it's like a place that has like a whole bunch of second-hand parts apparently. So I'm hopeful. Someone said there's like 6 foot tall mountain worth of outboard motors, so I'm hoping we can get a prop. And it's an old prop, so you know they go with time, the rubber perishes and then they spin, but hopefully we can get one. This is the second old one. It'd be really nice to get a new prop on her. How you doing, baby cakes?
Good. It's Ricky's B-day today.
Let's go.
Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame.
What?
Backpack.
Yeah, I got the backpack. We just got here to that dock there. Now we're looking for Treasure Trove. Ah, got it. Ah, Treasure Trove closed. No, it looks locked. No chance on a Sunday, eh? That's a dodgy dock. Is this dodgy dock? And walk more to the side, like where it's kind of supported. I think try and hit 2 planks at a time if you can.
No such like finding a prop, so we ordered one with the local chandlery and headed off to the beer company to have some drinks for Ricky's birthday. So we're here at the beer company because Ricky's birthday is today and we are celebrating Ricky's birthday
Chinchino!
with our German friends.
Prost!
Chino.
Prost!
How would you rate your beer?
I don't know, maybe like a 6, 7. What would you rate your ginger beer?
I like it. I like ginger beer though, so for me it's a good one.
It tastes really interesting, the ginger beer.
It's like mosquito spray.
We all know that it must come to an end. Happy or sad, my dearest friend. There's nothing.
So far, our favorite food in Grenada is definitely the chicken wings.
So won't you blow me off with a
After 3 years of working on Lady Africa between Port Elizabeth and Cape Town, Ricky finally gets to celebrate his birthday like he's always wanted, in the Caribbean. Be sure to click on the subscribe button below and on the notification bell to alert you when we upload a new episode, and like this video as well as share it to all your friends and family. It's a free way you can support our channel.
nothing more to say.
Happy birthday to you!
Zum Geburtstag, viel Glück.
Baie danke. Baie danke.
He's not gonna get Lulu would get far. I told you. Lulu, not even halfway.
Memories triggered by the bell.
Lulu, come! Lulu's looking for the crabs. The next day we headed to do more exploring and head up north of the island to Gouyave and see if Fish Fridays was still a thing post-COVID.
There's some things that you can't get used to.
Dock here next to our friends, so we got a nice cushion dock.
Are you gonna tie onto them again?
Yeah. Bow.
Ricky's new zapatos.
Good attack, my little friend.
Bridges on fire, and now we have nowhere to go. Used to inspire.
So we're doing some exploring this weekend because we're not working.
Oh.
And so we're gonna go. Where are we going, Lulu?
I don't know. Ricky's gonna take us. Lulu, please. Should be Captain Ricky.
Captain.
Master of disaster.
Master of disaster. So I think we're going to Gouyave for Fish Friday, and then we might take them to go see the chocolate museum because we want ice cream. They don't eat ice cream, but we do.
Fish Friday.
And then we're probably just gonna go have a drink somewhere.
Street, they
and
close the whole
explore
street
the island
and they only sell fish.
Ah, yeah.
Relax.
Maybe
for
they
Easter
open.
weekend. Our first stop was to go check out the Fort of St. George's.
We're on top of the hill at the fort. We'll come check the fort out. They got a police station here too.
The fort was built in 1667 and served as a battery. It was then upgraded in 1701 and 1713 as a plan to make Grenada a trading post for African slaves. After the British seized control of the island in 1762, it was renamed Fort George.
This side is a little bit heavier.
You gotta love it. We're coming to the fort, and it's really cool. There's a basketball in the middle. Gotta love it. The fort was used during the Grenada Revolution and US invasion. In 1979, it became the headquarters of the People's Revolutionary Army. The execution of at least 24 people in the central courtyard, including Prime Minister Maurice Bishop and 4 of his cabinet members known as Bloody Wednesday in 1983, took place here too.
Everything is upside down. Don't know what's going on. I see you pass me by, and you don't walk alone.
The fort now serves as headquarters for the Grenada Police Force. Oh, this is creepy. Ow.
We find all the gold barrels.
The gold coins are
I
mine.
can't see anything. Dead end, Lulu. You must climb under that hole now.
Not even I can make it. Look, not even a baby can make it.
We headed up north to Gouyave to see if we could get some fish at the fish market.
I don't know what you found. I'm kind of jealous now.
So we got some food from the side of the road, and We just parked the car on the side. And this is our view now. Having lunch. How's the chicken?
Good, it's like KFC. Fish Friday is not happening, is why we came actually down here. But we got bonus, we got chicken instead of fish, so it's good.
It's working good.
And then we kind of just drove until we found something. Fish Friday was not happening. It hasn't happened in over like a year, 2 years. So we decided to pop here by the hotel and come check it out because the view looks awesome. And they're the only place that's open that we found so far. So we're gonna hang out here and then we'll carry on our journey. It being Easter weekend, most of the places were closed, but we decided to take a chance with the chocolate factory as we were nearby. It was closed, and after coming to the conclusion most places were closed, we decided to head off back home and carry on our adventures on Monday. Stay tuned till next week as we attempt our first trail run / walk and explore more of the beautiful Grenada Ocean. Don't forget to subscribe below and like this video. If you would like to support our channel, you can do so by joining our Patreon family and get early access to the videos as well as join our WhatsApp group and more. Have an awesome week ahead, guys.